I think it's a little bit of just sticking it to the man, right? Um, GameStop, the smaller investors are facing off against against hedge funds. GameStop stock prices has climbed at a precipitous rate. So over 5 days, the price has gone from about $80 a stock, $70 a stock, to $320 a stock, because of GameStop was targeted by an army of retail investors who marshaled forces against short sellers in online chat rooms. In the Reddit forum Wall Street Bets, with more than 2 million subscribers, rookie investors encouraged each other to pile into GameStop's shares and call options, creating massive short squeezes in the stock. So what that really means is that there was a company, specifically, I think it was Melvin Capital, who was trying to short sell the stock. So they were trying to, at their best right now, they were trying to basically invest in the company to fail.
Yep.
So instead of the company failing right now, their stock is worth way more, which is a head scratcher. And for a lot of people, they have no idea how to deal with this when this is a company that is a struggling company, and now its stock price is way more than its value. So we're at a weird situation right now where that company is going to probably have its stock price decrease at some point, but it has taught us in a way that it is this easy to mess with the structure of the stock market. The
Yeah.
stock market itself is just so pliable.
The thing about this thing is that because they were doing short sales, right? Um, the people that have tried to do it are actually going to lose money if the stocks go up because they're betting on it going down, and if it goes up, they actually got to pay multiples of whatever the profits are. You know what I mean? There's like, it gets expensive, so they could lose. Like you could only lose, like if you're betting on stocks normally, you can only lose 100% of your money. You know what I mean? When you're going
Mm-hmm.
into short sales or shorting the stocks, if it increases, because you're banking on it losing. You know what I mean? You're actually doing the reverse, but money can always accumulate. So they can. It's like an interest based, a certain percentage that keeps going up and up and up if they keep making profits. And like they're saying that it could
Yeah,
go up to
and
like 20 something percent, almost 30%. You know what I mean?
yeah,
So you put $1,000 down. You know what I mean? That's a lot of money that that you're paying onto it. It's an extra $30 for every actually extra $300 for every $1,000. If I'm right, am I saying that right? I
mhm.
think so. Yeah, $300
I
for every
believe,
$1,000. So think
yeah.
about like
If you're
yeah,
short,
so if you're short selling,
if
yeah,
if you're
approximately.
using it as an option, there's a bunch of people that I've seen, and this is anecdotal because only a couple
Hmm.
people who got in at the floor. If you got in at the floor, you probably did make a bunch of money today. You probably made, or yesterday, um, you probably made almost $2,000, $20,000. It's
Mm,
if you buy a stock or two, or an option or two, because you're optioning that it's going to succeed and not fail.
yep.
Um, but there is a truth that over time it is going to lose value, and therefore a lot of people are going to start selling like crazy soon.
Can can
So I
Games
mean,
can GameStop do anything with the money that they're currently earning now or whatever it is? Because it seems like there's money now in their pockets, right? In theory, can't they do something to like kind of like change their whole thing? Like, because GameStop works kind of like they were saying like Blockbuster is, and because of the way they did a lot of with deliveries and other things like that. Didn't GameStop have like the delivery service at some point, and you could rent games and do other stuff at some point, and now it's just like basically a game store. Um,
yes.
yeah, so isn't it like because I know that what's the word I'm looking for? A lot of people doing digital downloads now or whatever. So I know that GameStop isn't as relevant, But is there something that you think they could do to make it so that they are more relevant now that some of this money's coming in? Like, can they reinvest it somehow, or is it that that?
So I want to
Uh,
say two things. Number one, somebody's actually asking if they can call in to the show.
oh yeah,
So that's interesting. Yes. So if you think of something of a way to do that, that would be very interesting. And number
yeah,
two, I think no, because they're a brick and mortar retail store.
mm-hmm.
So a lot of the things is that they have property that they have to deal with at this point. So I don't know if they might not, go bankrupt. They might find a way to settle this out so that they can survive as a different type of store somehow. Maybe even like transform themselves into an online store as well. I mean, you get your PS5 from there, right?
Yeah.
They can find a way to survive for a period of time.
Yeah,
Um,
I mean, I would say if they
uh,
could take advantage of it, it'd be nice if they could take advantage of it.